Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Cash Manager is available only in Sage 50 Accounting or higher. In order to open it, select Analysis from the menu bar and choose the Cash Flow Manager command. This window shows the projected cash flow status for your company for a selected time frame. At the top of the Cash Flow Manager, you can use the Time Frame drop-down to choose a time frame period over which you wish to view the cash flow forecast. You can then see cash flows shown on the Starting Cash, Expected Incoming Cash, and Expected Outgoing Cash tabs that appear below the Time Frame drop-down. You can click on these tabs to view the cash information shown within the rows on the tab. On the Starting Cash, Expected Incoming Cash, and Expected Outgoing Cash tabs, you can choose to include or exclude selected accounts by clicking the Include checkbox for any account shown. You can click the Details hyperlink that appear in some rows to view the account register and the transactions that constitute the balance shown within the row. To add an adjustment row for what-if scenario modeling to any of the three tabs, you can simply click into the topmost row on the desired tab, and then enter the information for the adjusting entry into the blank row. Be sure to check the Include checkbox for any adjustment rows that you create in order to add the amount that you enter to the cash flow forecast shown below the tabs. You should also remember to click the Save button that appears in the toolbar at the top of the window to save your adjustment rows. Otherwise, they may be removed when you close the Cash Flow Manager window. You can also reset any of the rows that appear within the tabs that you have altered by simply using the Reset drop-down button that appears within the toolbar at the top of the window. From the drop-down menu that then appears, you can select either Reset the row to the original or Reset all rows to original. If you select the Reset Row to Original command, you will reset only the selected row that you changed. You can choose the other command to reset all rows within the tab if needed. Now, the actual cash flow information is displayed at the very bottom of the window in both the Expected Cash Flow Totals cash summary for the period, as well as the bar graph showing the cash balance for the days or months within the selected time frame. You can check the balance, incoming, and outgoing checkboxes that appear above the bar graph to show those amounts within the graph if desired. If you wish to export the Cash Flow Manager to an Excel workbook, you can do that as well. This will export the cash flow summary as well as the information found on each tab into separate worksheets within an Excel workbook. To do this, click the Excel button that appears in the toolbar at the top of the Cash Flow Manager window in order to open the Copy to Excel dialog box. You can then set any desired options that you want within the dialog box that appears, and then simply click the OK button to launch Excel and export the data. You can also print the information within the Cash Flow Manager by clicking the Print drop-down button within the toolbar at the top of the window. From the drop-down menu that appears, you can select what items you wish to print. You can choose to print either the selected tab, all tabs, or the summary and graph within this drop-down. When you're finished using the Cash Flow Manager, click the Close button to close the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.